Okay, how to input the menu in the IDS software. So first of all, you have to log in by using your user ID and password. After that, once the screen arrives, then in the first module is the front office module, and the second one is the food and beverage. That is called the point of sale module. So you can click here the point of sale module, and you can type in the keyboard menu master. If you type here the menu, automatically you can see here the menu master is already arrived. So just double click of the menu master, then the next window will come, and in these pages you can add your designated whatever you want to input the menus. Okay, so already in my computer I have one complete menu which is the for the Jeffries. So I can see here the all the breakfast menus: Indian breakfast, Oriental breakfast, starter, and the salad, main courses, South Indian dishes, and also many more. Okay, so now if I want to input the salad, for example the feta cheese salad. Okay, so I can copy this one, feta cheese salad. I can copy here. So I'm going to the Windows, for example the applicable form. That means from when you want to start these menus, the date you have to input here. So I will go in the bottom, there is add button. I have to click in the add, and automatically the current date today is the 10th of February of 2025, so it is automatically arrived. After that I can press the enter button from the keyboard, and in the right side you can see here the outlet name. So you can choose your outlet, which outlet basically you want to input the menus. So I want to input the menu in the Jeffries. See, drop down there is a showing in the Jeffries sports bar. So I can select the Jeffries sports bar. After that I can press the again enter button from the keyboard. The next field is the item code. Item code, you can see from the item code, double click, you can click here double, otherwise you can press the F1 button from your keyboard as well. So I am doing here the double click. So all item code is here. Okay, so now in this all item code you have to select. For example, there is a lot of item codes, but you have to find out basically which you want to do. So I choose a menus which is the salad. Okay, so let me check here the salad, any item code here or not available. So maybe not. So what you can do, if not available, you can go in the bottom, and the last number is 374. Okay, 374. So now what I will do, I will create another item code which is the 375. Okay, 375 I can type here, and I can put here the name. What was the name? Just copy and paste, the feta cheese salad. Okay, the short name I can use here the first character of the three word FCS, and then I can press the enter button again. The language no need to input here anything, other language no need, and the QT printer group. You can double click here, or you can see what is the existing we have. Just F1, press the F1 button. So nothing, no need. Okay, so if has, then it should be arrive here. Okay, so now next button, the classification must be, you have to input the classification. So then you can click here, and you can see the classification. The classifications in the menu, there was a salad. Okay, this, see here is the salad. So now you can select here from salads, starters, soups. See, I can find out easily from here the salads. So select the salads and select again. So the classification 2 is arrived here. Available hours, no need to anything, just enter, press the enter, and the sub store code you can select here, double click, and you can find out here the sub store. The sub store is the sports bar kitchen. Basically this food will come from the sports bar. So that's why I can select in the number 4 SKT sports bar kitchen. Okay, select, and QT printer no need. Preparation time no need, and the item type already here, already assigned. Now next tab is the menu group. So you can click here, menu group. The menu group also in the salad. See here the salads already available. So you can select the salads, select, and the cost percentage. Always cost percentage by default we are putting now in the 30%. So you can type here the 30 as it is. So once you will start the cost control, so then you can put based on your calculations. Now by default we are putting everywhere in the 30% of the cost is foods. Tax structure, always you have to put in the number value of the 1. Why you will put in the tax structure 1, that I will explain in later on in other videos. But the tax structure 1 is we are following in our hotel. Okay, so the next one is the menu type. Menu type, this is the food or alcohol or liquor, soft drink, tobacco, what is this? So based on that you can select here, but salad is the food, so I can put here the food. Default bill 1, print order 1, it will be remain as it is, whatever is already here. So now in the right side you can see the discount flag not allowed. You should allow, because if anyone's required any discount, if any salesperson can want to do the discount, so then he can assign the discount. If you not select allowed, so they cannot do any discount. NC flag also should be yes. So now press the enter. Now is the description. You can see here the description. No need any description. Then just you can put here the 3 dot, because you cannot put in any blank field. So there's something you have to put any field. So just description box I put in the 3 dot, and then again enter press. The quantity always should be 1, because the calculation should be based on the quantity 1. UOM, that means the portion. UOM, unit of measurement. So salad always should be the portion, because salad we cannot calculate a quantity like 1 pieces, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. It is a portion. So then you can input here the POR code, and then press the again enter. So now is the rate. Rate means how much this salad should be sell. So already in the salad, in the menus, I can see here the 25 dirham. Okay, just you will put here the 25 dirham. That's it. And then after that, next, status is active, always should be active. And then finally you have to click in the save button. Okay, in the bottom there is a save button. I press here the save, and now this menu is available in the Jeffries. We can see, we can check. Okay, how we can check? You can check again in the second the point of sale outlet, and you can type in the menu master, and here you can check not add. Now you can click here the modify button. See here the modify is the modify. So now I can check here the item code. Sorry, you have to press the first enter, and you have to choose the outlet also as well, the Jeffries, because there is a multiple outlet we have in this hotel. So now we can click here, and the bottom, see 375. Our menu item code was 375. Can you remember? In the initial I put in this number in this field. Now the feta cheese salad is available, and we created these things in the 10th February 2015, and it is the active now. So now in the Jeffries sports bar outlet, they can sell this item very good way. So this is the process of how to input in the menu in the IDS. I believe you guys, you can see in this video, and you can input the menus wherever you required, and wherever required, and how it will be the effective in the IDS system. Thank you very much.